I'm going directly and tell what I did. And what I did, I actually did it. And integration with YouTube Music works. The solution is not perfect. What I mean, there are still things that can be improved, but they work. Integration, I can show you it. Here's my whole admin center console to manage the overlay. And I have start, be back empty, etc., etc. And here's what you saw previously. It's slightly adjusted just to work here. I did stop and resume. Previously you saw just the buttons. Now the functionality actually work. And you can see here, I've put this shit overlay, what the thing that I wanted to do. And it's the first version, let's say. What I mean, it will be shorter, let's say. I guess the image will not be different, and text and the CSS will, so the styling of the text will not change. The thing I'm going to change is to lock the width of the text, and I guess I will put the same animation as in this bar, because on the YouTube some kind of music has very long title. I can show even here. Look at this title. Look at this title, and at this, it's so fucking long, and it breaks into next line. And I don't want it to break. I would just put this animation. Exactly like here. And it's nothing interesting to show in it, but I've created something like layout state object. I've put some, how to say it, the things that I'm using many times. Let's say this one, daytime. It just returns me a formatted date and time here. Sorry, the object, and it's here. I also refactored this shit, but it's nothing. This shit updates the layout. And here I started the work on the time, but I will tell you later why I didn't complete it. And I just did this one. I just simply put the function here to the layout state. It's uppercase because I want to point that this thing should not change, that it's some kind of constant or some important values that shouldn't be used without the knowledge what they mean. Okay. And here's the magic happens. Here's how I start the plugin. Why window? Because I've put it as a window function. It's because I want that this plugin will be started in the main and not here, that, you know, the function is just loaded and it started. No, I just want to start it through here, and also these two files must communicate. And it was the second reason why I move it to the window. And third reason is that I don't want, sorry, maybe not I don't want, more like I don't want it, I don't want it to, didn't want to test how modules, JavaScript modules work in the OBS. I just want to have the overlay for now, but I would like to refactor it a lot. What I mean, I would like to use modules. You know, I will just, how it works, I would just have this one script in the HTML file, and this one, and this one. But what I mean, this shit will be a module. Main.js is going to be a module, and it will automatically download the file, then the YouTube Music plugin.js. So, but what I want to do next, I would love to refactor it, and I have to make the plugin a little bit smarter. What I mean, on the layout, you can see below the channel name here, I want the timer with some kind of bar that indicates the time of the songs. Okay, so let's say the timer. Next thing is, okay, I don't need to show you the interactive mode at all now. And also the next thing is to make some things smarter. What I mean, there is something like start shuffle and shuffle song. I would like that shuffle song will not shuffle the same song twice in a row. It happened today because the random number generation loves to give you exactly the same results twice in a time. So I need to make it slightly smarter. And then I need to put second mode. It will not be shuffle mode but something like play just in a row. Start from the first song and play it in a row. Sorry, in particular order. So the next thing is when I click the start button. Okay, I will show you the layout again. When I click the start button, I want it start the one song from the list, the one particular song. And this song, I had to fart, is Matrix the Perfect Girl. I want this song to be always open when the starting song screen is on. And what next? The next shit is that when I want to play the video with exactly the same video ID, currently the OBS source is not refreshing the page, so the plugin will not start. But I want it to just start the music again. I guess it's the same button. I can show you. Okay, I have to open the file. Not this shit. Shit. Here. It's the same button. Here, handle stop song and handle resume song. It's the same button, play button. It's the selector. And I guess the play again is exactly the same. I haven't checked it, but I guess it's the same. So it's going to be easy to do, I guess. And what? I think that's all. Read video name. I guess I don't need this function. But now I'm going... Okay, I will remove it. That's all from the description of what I did. And now I'm going to tell you why I didn't make the fucking timer. Lower the volume of the music because it's pretty loud. And yes, now I can go and... Oh my god. I don't hear the music. Damn. The music is on, but I don't hear it. 20%, but I can't watch anything in the background. Cool. And then okay, let's go to the place where I spent the most time today working on this overlay. This fucking shit. Oh, it's still there's settings on screen. This fucking shit. This one. Clip path. Nie ma dla pani. To od razu z zarzutem do mnie wchodzisz. No nie no.
Nie odezwałam się ani słowem, żeby ci nie...
Ja widzę po twoich oczach, proszę.
Nie to widzisz. O szklaneczkę mam.
A co jeszcze mam widzieć? No bo tą szklankę chciałem, żebyś wzięła, nie śmiem. Co jeszcze mam widzieć? No żonę widzę. Z brzuchem. Mężowym. No nie no, o. Okay, the most time I spent on this shit. Clip path. I can't show you it. But okay, I will show you it how it works. Sorry, how the image looks like without this shit. But I had to talk with ChatGPT. I fucking hate this kind of shit. For the first time I use his here rectangle, and the rectangle works pretty well. It was easy peasy working shit and nice looking. But guess what? Currently the Chromium version inside the OBS browser plugin did not handle the rect. And I spent a lot of time checking what version, checking why why the rect is not working and what version of the Chromium I have in my custom. It's not my custom, but let's say mine custom OBS browser plugin. And guess what? Clip path rectangle rect works from version 108, 10 or 12, something like this, of the Chromium. But I have 105 and it didn't support. So what? I really hate using paths. I know it's powerful, it do the effect, it do the job, but I hate working in it. So I talked with the ChatGPT, and guess what? He gave me a result. But ChatGPT knows that clip path and path, here exactly the path, cannot work with percentage values. And to get the fucking result, it really took me a place because I really wanted to have percentage values here. This one is the constant values, unfortunately. But I tried many things. I tried the mask. I tried some other things like, oh my god, I forgot. Not the circle, not the rect, something else. Maybe I have here. No, I don't have it. I will play clip path. Polygon. I tried with polygon, but I'm not able to round the box because currently the sound box is rounded and I wanted it to be rounded. So this one goes to trash bin, rect goes to trash bin, and I had to use the path. But I really wanted the percentage values. So ChatGPT told me something like this. I heard about it, and this shit is made, clip path ID is made to work as a percentage value, but for unknown reasons it doesn't work. The box with the sound, this box with the I mean the image, sorry, I mean the image is disappearing when I use this, or completely clip path is not working. I don't know why. I guess it cannot find this shit. But the percentage values is the best for me, really. So I lost a lot of time just on the fucking playground with clip path. So I told ChatGPT just to translate the percentage value to the path, this one, to the path for the box, 120 pixels per 90 pixels. And here's the result. And it's working. And that's why there's no timer yet. But I guess the worst part is made. So thank you for watching and bye.